Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in the exercise room. You see we have a Peloton bike, treadmill, and other stuff. And what I have here is the Peloton pedal converter. So here we go. We're gonna check this out. And you see if you have the pedals here, you have to use the shoes. But sometimes we'll have somebody come visit or something like that and then they don't have the right shoes. So we wanna see if these pedal converters work. So you can just use a regular shoe on there. So let's see how it goes. So let's see, so this is it. So this is one of them, and it's kind of rubbery, and it just goes in and snaps in place. But that's pretty easy, and then there you go. You have a nice flat surface with a little bit of grippy stuff, so you can put your shoes on it. So I'm gonna put the other one on here, and I'm gonna give this thing a try. Let's see, here's the other one. Okay, so I got them both on, super easy. And if you've used these before, you know they're super difficult to get your, what's it called, the shoes out of these contraptions and in them. So let's see if I put my feet on here. I'm just using sandals and actually it works pretty good. Yeah, it's good, nice and grippy. It's got a little bit of texture to it so it stays on there. So let's see how easy they are to take off now. So if I put one of these on, can I just pull it up, and it just comes right off. So pretty nice. Let's take the other one off so you can see over here. There we go. So when somebody comes and visits and they don't have the right size shoes that we have, they can still work out. Because of course you have to work out when you go visit Neil. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.